How to unsend invite messages on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that you have an updated and latest version of the Instagram application on your device, and after that you just need to open up your Instagram application. Make sure that you have logged into your account. After logging into your account, tap on your DM section at the top right and choose the profile that you want to unsend the invite message to. So here, as you can see, this is the message invite that I've sent to this person. So in order to unsend this invite message, what you need to do is just make a long press on the message, and then you can see the option of unsend over here highlighted on the red color. So just tap on unsend, then tap on unsend again, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.